Understanding no cap slang in modern English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular phrase that has taken the world of social media and pop culture by storm. No cap. If you're curious about its meaning and how to use it, you've come to the right place. No cap is a phrase that emerged from the hip-hop community, particularly in the southern United States. The word cap in this context refers to a lie or falsehood. So, when someone says no cap, they are essentially saying, I'm not lying, or I'm telling the truth. Understanding is best achieved through examples, so let's dive into a few. 1. If someone is talking about how great their weekend was and they say, I had the best weekend ever, no cap. They are emphasizing that they really did have an amazing weekend and they're not exaggerating. 2. Imagine a friend tells you about a deal they got on a product. They might say, I got this for just $5, no cap. They're assuring you that they are telling the truth about the great deal. 3. Someone might comment on a photo saying, you look amazing in this picture, no cap. This is a way of giving a genuine compliment, emphasizing they really mean it. Just like any other slang term, there are appropriate and inappropriate situations to use no cap. 1. Formal settings. It's best to avoid using no cap in formal situations, like job interviews or professional meetings. It's considered informal language. 2. When talking to someone unfamiliar with the phrase, if you're speaking to someone who might not be familiar with modern slang, using no cap might cause confusion. It's always good to gauge your audience. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, no cap. Remember, language is ever evolving, and slang terms like this one are a testament to that. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of what no cap means, you can use it confidently in your conversations. We hope this has been an insightful journey into modern English slang for you. Until next time, happy learning!